We've all been there. Bending down to tie your shoes feels harder than it should, or a yoga pose seems downright impossible. Whether it's due to sitting at a desk all day, skipping your warm-ups, or simply not knowing where to start, poor flexibility can leave you feeling stiff, uncomfortable, and even prone to injuries. But what if I told you there's a way to dramatically improve your flexibility faster than you ever thought possible? The problem: why flexibility seems out of reach. One of the biggest myths about flexibility is that it's only for dancers, yogis, or the naturally bendy. The truth? Flexibility is a critical part of overall health and fitness, affecting everything from posture and athletic performance to daily movements like reaching or squatting. The problem is, most people either don't stretch properly, don't stretch consistently, or give up too soon because they don't see results. Another challenge is time. Stretching often takes a backseat to cardio and strength training because it doesn't feel as urgent until you start feeling those aches, pains, or injuries from tight muscles. The secret solution: targeted stretching routines for rapid results. The key to unlocking flexibility isn't about spending hours stretching, it's about doing the right stretches consistently. Targeted routines that combine dynamic stretching to warm up and static stretching to lengthen muscles can help you see noticeable improvements in just a few weeks. Here's a simple but effective stretching routine you can start today. Morning routine: 5-7 minutes. Cat-cow stretch loosens up the spine and core 30 seconds. Standing forward fold targets hamstrings and lower back 30 seconds. World's greatest stretch opens up hips, hamstrings, and chest 45 seconds per side. Evening routine: 5-7 minutes. Butterfly stretch targets inner thighs and groin 30 seconds. Seated forward fold lengthens hamstrings and calves 45 seconds. Child's pose stretches lower back and shoulders 1 minute. Why this works? Combine science and simplicity. These stretches target the muscles that are most commonly tight, improving range of motion quickly. Fits your schedule. Only 5-7 minutes twice a day can make a big difference. Boosts circulation. Improved blood flow helps reduce soreness and tension. Don't wait, start stretching today. Flexibility isn't just about feeling better, it's about moving better and living better. With these routines, you'll not only unlock your body's full potential but also protect it from stiffness and injuries down the road. So, why wait? Commit to these stretches today and experience the difference for yourself.